Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view followed players on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to view the players whom you have followed on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app on your computer and log into your Steam account as I've already logged in over here. And after logging into your account and landing on this interface, at the top left corner of the screen you can see these options are available for us, and when we hover over these options you can see a drop down menu appears. Now let's hover over the username at the top left corner of the screen, and on this drop down menu click on the friends button over here, which is the third one, and you land over here. Now at the left side again where my mouse is hovering, you can see there it says the followed players just above the followed games, and here it says down to the category of following. Let's click on the followed players, and all of the players whom you had followed on Steam will be available over here. Currently I have not followed anybody on Steam, so nobody is available over here, but in your case if you had followed somebody on Steam they will be over here. And with that being said guys, you'll be also able to manage your following list if you want to. And guys, this is how to view followed players on Steam, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.